I have worked out for 120 days. Here's what happened. Game changers, I promised to do a workout video for 120 days and I didn't upload it. I said I will upload it on December, but you're getting close to 40. You get tired, okay? You just wanna rest. I just wanna sleep, And but anyways, here's my 128 days workout video. Before I show you, I need to show a why am I talking in English? It's okay. Maybe people will see this. Here's a picture of me. This was August 2025 and I have overeat. It's too good. Masarap kumain. And I decided to work out to see if something will change. Not like my previous workout video. If you don't see that, you can click it like here. Click it. Don't skip the ads. There's no proper diet when I did that, so it's stupid. Like I lost like 1 kilo, 2 kilos in 4 months. But anyways, let's go to the video. Let's go to the montage. Katatapos ko lang maglakad. Now I'm going to the gym para magbuhat. Look at this. Look at this pisngi. Oh my god. Why am I doing that? 4 months. Biglang babalik yung aking kagandahang lalaki. So this is my workout. Wow, that look on the camera. It's like I'm so handsome. I'm thinking to myself and I'm working out my tricep for my first day of gym after walking out. And I think it's pretty good. And I kind of film videos when there's no one else around. So I don't bother anyone on the gym, unlike other people. And I also, for my ab workout, you can see I still have the strength. Why am I talking in English? I still have the strength to do leg raise while hanging. So the power is there, but the big belly is there. So fat. I'm randomly filming Captain America's dumbbell for some reason. I am out of breath. This is how out of shape I am. And also sad. I also cry a little there because I want to eat lechong kawali. Well, I'm still sad, but at least I'm sad and not fat.
Bruh.
Does that make sense? Back to the workout where I show my butt crack. Holy shit. I didn't notice that. Okay, so just concentrate on the pumipiyak ako sa kahihiyan. Just concentrate on the workout, not on the crack on my shirt where I can show my. You know what? I'm gonna cut this. It's my third day going to the gym now and I gotta admit, lagi akong puyat kasi binabago mo yung katawan mo eh. May mga ganong salita eh. Pag nababago yung kain mo, yung katawan mo, hindi siya sanay. So, maraming puyat ngayon but we will continue. Matatapos natin tong first week ng malakas. Now, this is one of my favorite workout in the gym. It's called dips and you look very strong when you do this. When I do this workout, I feel like, look at me. I'm so powerful. I'm so good. Wala nang butas yung shirt ko. Anyways, these are the workout for my chest day. And you can see, oh my god, look at that belly. Tiyuhin na tiyo. Oh my god, I don't want to see this. Okay, let's cut to maybe next week. So these are all the workout I did every day. I did some for legs. I did some for chest. I did some for the arms. Also for the back. You can see the back later. And you see every day I change my clothes. That means it's a new day of working out. I work out 4 times a day. No cheating. No reasoning, pagod ako, puyat ako. 4 times a day. Pagod, hindi. Just to, make a point that, I can do this. But now that I show you how I work out, there's another thing that you need to consider. That one is also very hard because I need to be in a deficit I read that on internet and professional, YouTubers. So when I work out, my burn is around 2,400 calories, and I need to be at least 500 less. So I need to eat like 1,800 to 1,900. But 1 cup of rice, 1 cup, it's so small. It's like 240 calories. If you eat 2 cups, it's 500 already. I'm like 1,300 left for my calorie, and I need to eat whey protein and drink whey protein, and eat some oatmeal, which is also calorie dense. You know what? I'm gonna show you my diet or what I eat so that I can get over the why am I talking in English? So that I can get over the calorie deficit while also eating rice. This is what I ate during my diet. Now it might be processed food, but the rice is shirataki rice. Shirataki rice that has almost 0 calories, and it's so many. When I'm eating shirataki rice, I partner it with processed food because processed food has many, calories and science and stuff. But shirataki rice doesn't have any calories, so I can eat hot dog, tuna with cabbage and egg. Oh god, I hate that. That tastes like Valentine's. Oh my god, I'm remembering. So that's what I ate for 4 months. You might think it's hard, but there's a thing called cheat day. And every cheat day, alam na this. If you're familiar with nagwaldrip ng lasing, this is how it's made. This is our cheat day. Inuman to make our sad and unimportant life, a little bit more fun while crying. And after 70 days of diet, here's what I look like. Wow. You can see from my deadlift that my belly is gone. And my arms have a little shape. And now I'm, more gay than ever. I'm sorry, Copy Strike Rule. Oh God. You can see from this pull-up machine my two amazing my back workout. It's starting to take shape, and I'm getting more energy. I wake up now, no more sleep opera. What am I talking about? Why am I speaking in English? Anyway, you can see my workout. I continue my diet, no cheating, tuna and egg, and the rice from Satan. What I eat for breakfast is oatmeal with whey protein and black coffee without sugar, which tastes like when your friend backstab you over a video game. Of course, we don't forget our cheat day. If you take my cheat day away from me, I've suffered enough. Just kill me. And on my 100 plus days on working out, this is my final workout and the result. Pinakiniintay nyo. You can see I have a flat stomach now, and I can do the dips very easily without getting tired. Before, I can only do machine pull-up, but now I can do whole body pull-up, which feels amazing, and it feels like ako lang nakakagawa nito. That's what I feel in the gym, even though no one is looking. And this is the result of 120 days. Let me show you a comparison picture here. I lost 8 kilos, and the conclusion for this one is it hard? Is it very fun? It is hard. It is very fun. And I am continuing on working out because I feel healthy. Because see, I look like I'm pretending to be happy now, not like I look sad every day. At least I can pretend to be happy now. I guess you don't see it because I always wear the Game Changer shirt, but okay. Let me change my outfit a little bit so I can show you the result, I guess. There we go. So this is what I look like. Oh my god. Hanapon ako yung balahibo ko sa kilikili. Well, thank you for watching and